find the most difficult thing to do is when a new product is launched is how are you supposed to consume the product. So we've come to you today to show you how you can take this JP Weiser spice and make it into a product that both male and female consumers will enjoy. In order to make this infusion, you're going to need a 750 of JP Weiser spiced, 3 pint canning jars, 3 apples, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Once you've gotten all the ingredients, you are going to start by boiling your jars. Eric is just about to get 3 pint jars out of the boiling water and set it aside so they can start cooling. Now we're going to just dice them and put them in the jars. You will put 1 apple in each jar. It doesn't matter how large of pieces you put in, it's just to make sure you have good surface ratio with the alcohol once we put it in. Assistance from Eric, he's going to take and put a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg in the JP Weiser spice bottle and mix it up so that we will get equal amounts of nutmeg in each one of the jars. As we were making this recipe, that actually just a 1/2 stick of cinnamon is enough for the mason jar. So once the nutmeg is mixed, you're just going to fill all 3 jars with the JP Weiser spice with the nutmeg in it. Once you've done this, you're going to put the lids on the jars and you're going to allow it to set for 4 days. After the 4 days, that's when you're going to make a cup of simple syrup to use in the recipe. You are going to start mixing the product. In order to do that, you are going to take a funnel and a coffee filter, and you're actually going to filter out the apples and the excess nutmeg and the cinnamon so that it is not in the finished product. So I finished the filtering of the product, so I'm just going to dispose of the apple and the coffee filter. I'm then going to pour the 3/4 cup of simple syrup into the filtrate. The last step is to mix and enjoy. This drink would be great for the holiday season. So run on out to your local retailer and pick up a bottle of JP Weiser Spiced. Well, all that's left is cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.